The heart is the most important organ in our body. It pumps vital blood through our veins and supplies our entire organism. But in order to live a healthy life, we need to strengthen our heart. For example, through the right diet and sufficient exercise. But in today's hectic world, it's not so easy to give our heart the attention it deserves. We sit a lot, sleep badly, and are stressed. But what if there was a little helper to help us strengthen our heart? And not only that, at the touch of a button, immense powers could be released and we could become competitive athletes from now on with minimal effort. There is also a core element in companies, the processes. To survive as a company and achieve success, you need to strengthen this core. But even this is not easy. Complex processes, interlacing, and inefficient workflows can affect your company's performance. But don't worry, there is a solution. SAP Signavio helps companies understand, proactively manage, and optimize their core business processes. It's like a personal trainer for companies. With SAP Signavio solutions, companies can perform process analysis and process mining, model their processes and journeys, create governance, and optimize execution. When a company combines all of these capabilities, it is well on its way to becoming a resilient and sustainable organization that transforms processes for the better. With SAP Signavio, organizations can strengthen their core and achieve process excellence.